In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify phone number in Meta Business Suite. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to get that verification code to show your number as confirmed. Verifying your phone number helps with account security, notification delivery, and business credibility, so it's worth a minute to set up properly. Start by opening Meta Business Suite in your browser. Go to business.facebook.com, sign in, and select the business you want to manage. If you have multiple businesses, be sure you're in the right one so the changes apply to the correct account. Once you're inside the dashboard, head to Settings. Look for the gear icon, usually in the lower left corner or the sidebar, and open Business Settings. Layouts can shift slightly as Meta updates the interface, but the wording is consistent. Next, open your business's information section. Depending on your view, it may be labeled Business Information or Page Info. Either option will take you to the place where your organization's core details live. Scroll until you find the Contact Details area. This is where your phone number appears. Click the Edit icon, often shown as a small pencil. This opens the field where you can add or adjust your number. Carefully enter your phone number. First, select the correct country code from the drop-down. Then type your full number, double-checking every digit. Even a single mistake means you won't receive the verification code, so it's worth a quick review before moving on. When your number looks right, request the verification code. Click Send Code and choose how you want to receive it. You can pick SMS if you prefer a text message, or phone call if you want an automated voice to read the code aloud. Choose the method your device and service plan support best. Keep the business settings window open while you wait. Now check your phone. The code is typically 5 or 6 digits and it arrives quickly. If you chose SMS, watch for a message from Meta. If you chose a phone call, be ready to answer and listen carefully. Return to the verification field in business settings, enter the code exactly as shown, and click Confirm or Verify. Codes are time sensitive, so enter it promptly. That's it. Your phone number should now display as verified in your business details. If you ever update your number, repeat these steps to confirm the new one. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you verify your phone number in Meta Business Suite with confidence.